Fenugreek and diabetes. Fenugreek was contain high soluble fibers, so it is reducing blood sugar level by slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. You can take it in two modes. First step is put it in a small quantity of water over the night, and second day you can drink along with the water. Or the second option, what you can do is take a 1 tablespoon of fenugreek and put it in 1 liter of water, boil it and keep it cool. Then you can drink the whole water like a drinking water. And third thing is you can keep it as a sprouted fenugreek and you can have. The second is okra. Okra is lady's finger. Lady's finger has a hunger craving. It will reduce your hunger craving, so that it has been increase your glycemic control and it will increase the insulin sensitivity. It has a anti-stress effect, and it is reducing your blood sugar levels by reducing your stress level, and it reduces cholesterols, and it has a anti-fatigue effect. In what mode you can have? You can cut it into slices, put it into the bowl whole night, and next day you can take the water you can drink. The first option. The second option will be you can peel off the things and you can keep the seeds dry and powder it, and you can mix in the water and you can have. Third thing is amla. Amla have a antioxidant effect. Most of the cause for diabetes is oxidative stress, so you can increase the antioxidant effect by taking amla. Two sources you can have. Either you can eat it directly, or the second option is you can take off the seed and make a juice and you can drink. Third option is you can have the seed, dry it, make it as a powder and started having in a low quantity. So all these three food which you used to have normally, you can have a diabetic control. You can know the mechanism by using this video.